Vehicle routing problems with drone resupply. This is an instance of the problem. There is one depot and 4 customers, all located on the same road. The box represents the depot and the circles are the customers. The release dates in minutes are written above each node. This figure depicts a feasible solution. We consider a truck speed of 1 distant unit per minute, and the drone speed is set to twice the truck speed. Additionally, we consider a deadline of 90 minutes, which means that the truck should return before that time or there will be an overtime cost. The truck leaves the depot with the orders of clients 1 and 2. During its journey, orders 3 and 4 become available. A drone departs from the depot to customer 3 carrying them. The drone arrives at the same time as the truck. After receiving the drone and unloading the new orders, the truck moves forward to customer 4 and then returns to the depot. In this situation, the extra labor cost paid to the delivery service driver corresponds to 10 minutes of overtime. If the drone is not used, the truck must wait until the last order becomes ready to dispatch. This will generate an overtime cost of 25 minutes. Alternatively, the truck could perform multiple trips, but that would be even more expensive. At the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you'll have a map showing the location of the truck and the drone. The red circle represents the truck and the yellow circle represents the drone. In the main view, you'll either see the truck or the drone's perspective. And at the bottom left corner, you'll see the perspective of the other vehicle.